Thomas Wood here with Microquant. We're currently looking at the British pound US dollar pair on a daily chart, and it's interesting what's happening. But first I want to talk about a couple trading opportunities we had over the past couple weeks. We had a few good shorts we could have placed where it sold in moderately overvalued, as shown by these upper yellow bar segments on the daily chart, and we also had a significantly lower high pattern forming on both our MQ momentum with both the histogram and the moving averages, as well as our MQ trend index, where we had significantly lower high for the trend. And then we can see it came back down, and we could have covered down at this bottom moderately undervalued price point. And then after that, we saw that we had a channel forming. Once again, it came up and barely touched the top of this channel into, again, the moderately overvalued price point as shown by this other red arrow. We can see that the market pulled down, and then today we actually broke through the bottom of this channel, and currently we're trading below, although it's really close to the end of the trading day and the end of the trading week. So we'll have to watch next week to see what happens. Now, if we pull out and we look at a weekly chart of the British pound US dollar, we see there's actually a long way that this could continue to head lower. We recently pulled back in the past few weeks from the significantly overvalued price points. We also had a doji if you were looking at candlesticks on a weekly basis, and then the market's continued down. We could also almost say that this is a channel that this is trading within, as we've touched at both the top and the bottom several times for both support and resistance. So if this does decide to continue on down next week, I would be looking for a potential exit down around 1.53. So that's a pretty big move. It would be a little bit more longer term depending on the type of trader that you are. If it does not continue to trade lower and it does close above this bottom half or the bottom part of this channel on the daily chart, we could also watch for a bounce and see if it'll continue to trade within the channel. But if it does close below, I'd be careful and wary to watch on Sunday and Monday to see which direction it decides to actually go. Overall, the US dollar has had a really strong move to the upside since the elections on Tuesday earlier this week. And like I said before, it'll be interesting to see what happens over the next few weeks and months. So thanks for watching, and until next time, happy trading.